Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter with this week's episode of The Mortgage Porter for the week of October 13th, 2025. The federal shutdown is going on 14 days and is affecting key parts of the housing market. And if you're buying, selling, or refinancing, here's what you need to know. Several government-backed programs are facing delays or suspensions. USDA rural home loans are currently paused. FHA and VA loans are still being processed, but could slow down approvals and appraisals. The IRS may delay in processing tax transcripts, which is a common requirement for many mortgages, but not all of them. And all of this could mean that longer timelines, more uncertainty, or even delayed closings for some transactions. Another concern is pause of the National Flood Insurance Program managed by FEMA. However, there are other private flood insurance alternatives available that could provide coverage options. So another vote is taking place tonight, but please contact me. I'm here to help you be informed and navigate these times. Optimal Blue shows that mortgage rates as of last Friday, October 10th, averaged about 6.256%, still in a fairly tight range. This graph represents a 2-year trend for mortgage rates. And please remember that Optimal Blue Index is an average from about 35% of mortgage transactions from lenders who use Optimal Blue when they go in to lock in an interest rate. You cannot lock in last Friday's rate. And so, and other factors to consider too are things like your credit score, loan to value, and other factors that can determine like what interest rate you may qualify for. So if you would like to see what mortgage rates are for your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you with that. This morning's NFIB Small Index Optimism Index declined 2 points, the first decline in 3 months. So the Uncertainty Index rose 7 points. This is the fourth highest reading in over 51 years. Supply chain and inflation issues were the key problems in this report. And 31% of the small businesses plan on increasing prices over the next 3 months. Markets were closed yesterday for the holiday, so watch for the PPI report to be released on Thursday. This will carry more weight since we didn't have the BLS jobs report earlier this month. And the next Fed meeting is coming up soon on October 29th, and it is favored that there should be a rate cut of 25 points. And it's about 11:20 as I prepare this, and mortgage-backed securities are up about 14 basis points. We like seeing that green. The Dow is up 399 points. Fed Chair Powell today stated that while official employment data for September are delayed, available evidence suggests that both layoffs and hiring remain low, and that the outlook for inflation and employment likely hasn't changed much since the central bank's September monetary policy meeting. Again, kind of hinting that we will probably see a Fed funds rate cut later this month. Our next workshop is tomorrow on Wednesday, October 15th from noon to 1, and it's all about credit and how it impacts the home buying process. And we actually go beyond that too. So I think there's a lot of useful information in this, and I really encourage you or anyone that you know to attend. So it is free. You do need to register at mortgageporter.com and click the classes workshop tab at the top of my page. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling your home, or restructuring debt, or a reverse mortgage, I'm happy to help you even if it's months away. We can work on your budget, review credit. I'm here to help you or anyone you know with your mortgage needs. And you cannot start too soon. I really enjoy putting together a plan or strategy for somebody so they can put their best foot forward. So be sure to check out my blog, The Mortgage Porter, and subscribe for weekly updates. Take care. I hope to talk with you soon. And go Mariners!